Welcome back to Living in Woodstock. I'm trying something new for this video, so I'm going to let the property tours play in the background as I voice over it. So today I'm touring a few properties you can find in Woodstock in the $500,000 range. The first one is this house here on Winniette Street. It's on the west side of Woodstock, just off of Dundas. So if you've seen my map video with the areas and ages of houses in Woodstock, you'll remember this area as having the older 50 to 100-year-old homes. So this place is listed at $499. This duplex has the bulk of the cosmetic renovations done. As you can see, the flooring and paint and trim looks pretty good, but that kitchen and as you'll see as we come into the second unit there, could use a little bit more sprucing up to kind of make this your own. So the reason I really wanted to put this kind of a house on the list today is it's great for somebody that just wants to live in one unit and rent out the other, reduce their costs of living. I'll point out, as you can see here, two electrical meters, which is great for splitting up the utilities between the two units. See this bottom unit's a little bit more of like a bachelor pad almost. So the second one is on Sprucedale, which is at the east side of Woodstock, just off of Springbank. This is your 30 to 50-year-old brick bungalow, which is my personal favorite style of home. And I'll also explain why this one, I like this one particularly as we get further into the tour here. So this one sold pretty quick, and it went for $550. You can see it has nice hardwood floors. It looks very well kept. This is kind of interesting. It's like a bit of a greenhouse sunroom thing on the deck. Very nice backyard. Maybe not. Oh, nice little dining area here at the front end of the kitchen. And you can see lots of storage in here, so pretty nice. Nice cabinetry. So as we come downstairs here, this is where I'm going to explain. I like this side entrance. Comes right into the staircase coming downstairs. And there's lots of room down here. for what I would consider putting a basement apartment into this. You'll see all the way at the back here, it already has a full bathroom, the shower. This room here is kind of awkward coming into it, but at least it does have the full bath. So I'm noticing there's no egress windows down here, so you'd need that. And then of course proper fire separation. You can see this section of the ceiling here is not even finished. But this is a pretty good start for if you wanted to do a little bit of a conversion project and add a basement apartment into it. Driveway looks pretty wide as well, so you'd have lots of parking. Finish this tour off with just a quick look at the backyard. So last on the list today is a 2-story townhouse on Athlon. This is near the hospital. It was built in 2018 and is an example of a newer townhouse you can find in Woodstock for $560,000. It is the end unit in this condominium complex. Although it is a condo, so you'd end up with $250 per month in condo fees. So if you're interested in any of these properties or want something like them, book your free meeting with me. The link will be in the description. I'm going to stop talking here and let you enjoy the rest of this tour. Thanks for watching and subscribe.